Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about HTML URLs. So HTML URLs is something that we include within the summary tab of our reporting page, which you'll see here. Now the summary tab just gives you top level of information about the site and the crawls, the URLs that we found and so forth. So for those of you that don't know, a HTML URL is simply a web page, standard web page that you would expect to see on any website. So if we go to our website, this would be a HTML page. You can tell that the page is HTML by right-clicking on the site and selecting View Source. And a lot of the code that you're seeing, this is the code that essentially makes the page look and feel the way that it does when you see it through your web browser. A lot of this code is HTML itself. So, for example, this indicates that there's a list, whereas other aspects indicate links. And so an HTML page is the typical web page that you would expect to find on any website. Any page that you go to on our website is going to basically be made of HTML. So the reason why that we group HTML pages together in this overview category is just so that you can see the amount of actual typical web pages that you would expect to find on a site. If we look at the crawl of a site and the number of URLs found, in this case we've paused the crawls, so there's only 478 pages. But if we go back to the reporting, we can see in the previous call there are actually nearly just over 1,200 pages that were actually, or at least URLs that we found, but only 495 of those were actual web pages. Okay, I hope that answers your question. Thanks very much for watching.